5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then we're going to get the command. We're going to fire up 10,000 horsepower all at once. Wausau, are you ready?
Woo!
That wasn't bad. But I know you can do better than that. You gotta make me feel like I feel some love, because I'm from Wisconsin. I'm gonna ask you one more time. I want you to rip the roof off this place. Wausau, are you ready? Okay, everybody, boys and girls, let's stand up. Even you adults that are kids at heart, get off your seat, get on your feet, let's help get the party started. Here we go, Wausau. Let's count it down. 5,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start your engine. Yeah. I don't know.
And we're getting set to go into the two-wheels competition tonight. You're going to be the judges. The monster trucks can do whatever they want in two-wheel skills. And of course, this two-wheel skills thing has evolved over the last 5 years. It used to be called the Monster Truck Wheelie Contest. Well, now they can do all types of different tricks, so we call it two-wheel skills. Now, the reason we did not fire up this monster truck in front of you is we're going to show you a safety feature. This is called an RII. It is a remote ignition interrupter. All of our trucks have them. Now, you might be seeing this get used in NHRA drag racing. If you watch Top Fuel Racing, the last people on the staging line, when the crew chief walks away from the car, they give them a radio. Okay? We have the same thing. Our sport actually is the one that introduced this. Bob Chandler with Bigfoot, after a couple of monster trucks crashed into walls and stuff, we decided we had to do something to be able to stop these big trucks. So they came up with this remote ignition interrupter. It's for the safety of our track officials, the monster truck drivers, and you. If the driver gets knocked unconscious, the throttle sticks wide open, God forbid, I all know you came here to see a monster truck get flipped upside down. If that happens, our crew officials, I have a radio and our crew official has a radio, he'll hit a button and it'll shut all the power off to the truck, all the electrical. So with that being said, let's get ready. Let's make some noise for Mike Rowley. He's going to fire up Barely Tame. We'll check his remote ignition interrupter. And then we're going monster truck two-wheel skills.
Woo!
Now, they check the radio. It is operational. Now, make some noise for Mike. He can hear you. Well, he's one of the top guys right here in the United States. He not only drives a monster truck, but he's into the figure 8 water on a snowmobile. It's pretty awesome. He just competed over in Brainerd, Minnesota. Make some noise for Mike Rowley and Barely. Now we're set for the world's largest quad time to fire up, we'll check his remote ignition interrupter. Now, you see our crew guy out there backing the trucks up. That's for a reason. We're wearing a 5-point safety belt harness and a Hans device, and you can't turn your helmet. The helmet is actually strapped to your Hans device, and they wear a chest piece, and the 5-point harness goes over it. Here we go. Another truck with a big 70-point front brake. Oh yeah, whip around. Big air shot down the track that time. Squad chaos. So it's very important that they win this two-wheel skills. Make some noise for Brett Falvey and Quad K. We get ready for our next competitor. It's the Chopper Man. Out of Sarasota, Florida, we're getting ready for Matt Cummings. Here comes the Boss Gator.
No, it's that alcohol.
All right, put your hands together for Matt Cummings and the Boss Gator. Nice job, Matt.
Huh?
That's expensive stuff, I
Okay,
Yeah,
we
it
get
is.
our next competitor fired up. We check the radio, and it is time for the Gravedigger driver to make his way out in the Redneck Rampage. Rod Schmidt started his independent Donut time! that thing spun around. Tony will get it back into his stall. Tough truck round number 1, you should be ready to go. Tough truck round number 1 should be ready to go.
That's tough wheelie.
How about it? Make some noise for Cameron Tweedy. Okay, now I told you that you are the judges tonight, okay? Now I'm going to announce the name of each truck, and I want you to cheer for one truck and one truck only that you think did the best job in the two-wheel skills. And the reason I say this is very important because whoever wins the two-wheel skills gets a bye round and round 1 of racing. And let me explain what's going on. We see these guys. 4 of these monster trucks are part of the Triple B Motorsports team out of St. Cloud, Minnesota. They're a brand new monster truck team that's only been in business for 2 years. They have 20 monster truck names in their stables. And I named a few of them already. USA 1, Barefoot, Monster Patrol, Carolina Crusher, Barely Tame. The list goes on. They got the Jesse James Cadaver truck. They got the Ozzy Osbourne monster truck, for God's sakes. They got a truck called Wild Thing. They got a truck called Boogie Van. They got all kinds of them. But tonight you'll see them interacting. They're a very awesome team. Let's do our cheer off. How many of you thought it was Barely Tame? Make some noise. Okay, he's got a few friends here. Ain't nothing wrong with that. How many of you thought it was Quad Chaos? Make some noise. How many of you thought it was the Boss Gator? Make some noise. How many of you thought it was Redneck Rampage? Make some noise. How many of you thought it was Carolina Crusher? Make some noise. 2 for 2 this weekend for this young man in the two wheels competition. We'll get him over here and get a brief interview. Tough Trucks, looks like we're all ready to go, so we'll get this interview in quick with Cameron, and we'll go right into Tough Truck racing. Wow, dude, you're laying it down this weekend on these guys.
I thought that was as cool as it felt. That was the first time I've ever tried that. I think did it. I was so scared to do it, but man, that was a lot of fun.
Yeah, you got up on 2 wheels, and you did have your front wheel a little cocked, and you pulled it out, because it could have went over upside down, no doubt about it, but yeah, you're running against some of the top guys in the industry. And Rod Schmidt, he's a veteran of this deal, and he came out and blew some killer cyclone donuts with that riding on 2 wheels. That's kind of hard to compete with.
It is, that's the new way the game's going, so you get a learn early, and mad props to guys like Rod Schmidt that's laying it out on the floor, so he walks and so mad props to him. I couldn't thank my crew guy back there, Byron Cadigan. He lives like 2 hours from here, so he got a bunch of family here, so huge shout out to him. I'm super jazzed right now, ready to turn these guys here.
No doubt. So you take the 2 wheel skills win again. You're going to get a bye round in the first round of racing. But you won the racing earlier today. Are we going to look for the same thing?
That's the plan. Our plan is to go for 6 for 6 this weekend, so we'll see.
All right, we'll see if you get a clean sweep. Make some noise for Cameron Tweedy, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to run Tough Truck racing. We're going to put each truck on the line. When we're ready to go, we're going to ask you to help us do a countdown. Our first truck is Dave Petocci out of Butternut, Wisconsin. This is a Chevy Colorado. It's called Papa's Fate. He's sponsored by Total Care Contractors. Let's get him ready to go. Here we go. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Go for it. Dave is on. And he's going to start. He's got to take a jump there. He's got to turn the corner. Whoa, a little too much. Get her straightened up. And take this jump here. In the Papa's Fate Colorado. They make 2 laps. He's going to finish right here in front of us. Come on, make some noise for Dave. All right, nice job. He'll get the truck stopped and we'll get a time on Dave. 31:06 is the time to beat. 31:06 gets us started. Awesome. Next up should have been Chad Olsage, but Chad broke his truck earlier today. Oh, he's using some. Oh, cool. That's good. Chad's back. Chad out of Wausau, Wisconsin. He's not in a Jeep. Oh, he's driving the Ford. Awesome. Okay. So we'll get Chad rolling. Let's do it. 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
And he's off.
Oh, that's nice.
Chad Olsage, sponsored by Lightning Express Towing. And that big old Ford F-150. Come on, baby, let's break some parts. Yeah, cheer him out. Oh, he's got bumper parts flying off now. That's what it's all about. Cheer him on, Wausau. Come on. Oh, he's going big. He's going big. He's looking to break some parts tonight. Come on, Chad, bring her home. They want to take that stuff. Okay, Chad's time. A 31.5.